Good evening, my gorgeous queens. Tonight, guys, I'm going to do a beautiful, nice tretinoin update. Well, it's pretty much the same routine, okay? But we need to keep going, guys, when it comes to our dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and everything like that. And this tretinoin is the gold standard for reducing dark spots and hyperpigmentation, getting rid of acne scars if you've got that, and also just really, hitting those wrinkles, really. It gets rid of that top layer of skin, eh? So my skin's been pretty good, guys. I mean, do you remember I had that big dark patch here? And also my cheeks were a lot darker. I must say, guys, that some days it's better than others. I mean, my hyperpigmentation can look darker on some days, and then other days it just looks way better. So it's all a process, guys, and I'm on a journey to damn well get rid of it. And I hope you guys are on board. So that's what we're going to do tonight. I also wanted to share with you guys some of my beautiful secrets for getting soft hands, okay? Your hands are the ones that age and what people can really see first. Hands and neck, I think. I mean, because we pay a lot of attention to our face, we sometimes forget the neck area, it can get a bit turkey-ish, and the actual hands. I mean, I've got no hand cream at the moment, guys. I've just jumped out of the shower. But I want to share with you guys a really good way of getting that hand cream and my little routine of doing my hands, okay? Because I do not like having sticky things on my hands, and I'm forever washing them. With COVID and everything going around, and just I've always been that person. I don't like not washing my hands. So maybe every hour I like to wash my hands. And yeah, so obviously the cream's going to come off, okay? So I want to show you a really good way of getting that cream on and soaked on into your hands for hours. Firstly, guys, I want to add on some lip oil, and this is the City Lips Night Lip Oil. It's awesome. That's it there, guys. It's really juicy. It's a beautiful lip oil for night, but I've actually been using it in the daytime too, but I've already put some on. Really hydrating. Before I start, guys, I want to share with you this lovely kimono robe I'm wearing. So this lovely kimono robe, guys, is from Ulivary Life, and they're based in America, but they do amazing kimono robes. It just makes you feel so luxurious, and I love wearing this when I do my skincare routine, guys. The one that I'm wearing now, guys, is made of polyester and cerusse. No, that's a long word for me to say, you should know that. But it's just so light, airy, feels very silky. It just feels so luxurious, guys. As you guys know, I am so into my dressing gowns. I love them. I wear them all the time. Ever since COVID hit, I could wear my dressing gowns all weekend, guys, and I'm so happy that I have these beauties to wear. They feel so super light, guys. It's just gorgeous. Good for mummy's tummy. I've got 5 kids, guys, and I have a mummy's tummy, and you can hardly tell, right? I mean, it just looks really flattering on the body, but I don't care. I mean, I feel great in it, and it just feels so luxurious. Here's the back of it, the design. It's just so detailed. It's super flattering. So let's get back to our skincare, right? So that was a beautiful robe. What did you think? I mean, I think they're gorgeous. They're really sexy. We've got plus size as well, which is perfect. And yeah, just have a little look on their website. I enjoyed looking through it. So if you want to check out Ulivary Life's website, go to www.ulivarylife.com. And the lovely owners, there's 2 beautiful female owners of this company, guys, Sharon and Rachel, have also given me a beautiful discount code of 20% for you guys if you wanted to purchase one of their beautiful kimonos. So just click on the link in my description box, guys, if you're interested, eh? Let's carry on with the skincare. Yeah. Remember what I said in my other video, guys, about the tretinoin? You must have a very dry face, okay? So pretty much have your shower, pat your face dry, leave it for, I don't know, however long it takes for your actual face to dry, okay? Remember, guys, we use Retrieve cream in New Zealand. It's tretinoin, 0.05%. I put like that much on, and I like to hit the dark spots everywhere. It's very, very, very important business doing this tretinoin and everything like that. I love it. I have been getting some peeling skin. You know, I don't like the look of it, you know, the next day, obviously, but I love it because I know that it's working. It's taking off that top layer of skin. They call it the retin-A uglies, okay? And you have to go through that, guys, to achieve the results that you want. So in my routine, guys, I'm doing this every second night. I like to really rub it in, not let any of it be creamy or, you know, feel slippery. Now, as I explained in my other tretinoin video, if you guys watched it, I use hydroquinone as well. Love this stuff. It's really, really great. I mean, I know that some people hate it, okay, but I actually like it. So if you want to get your hands on tretinoin or hydroquinone, you need to go to a skin specialist for that. But it's totally worth it, you know, it's really, really worth it. He's also given me some tranexamic acid pills. I have one a day. I haven't been taking them lately though, but they're great. I mean, I see a huge difference with those two. I used to use a cotton puff in this, but I don't do it anymore because it leaves too much cotton everywhere on my face, and it just, yeah, I just don't like it. So now, guys, I put my finger into my bottle. It's only my finger that goes in, and then I just rub it on the dark spots only, not everywhere on my face, okay? Dark spots here, there. Now, I've just recently had my brows redone again for the second time in 2 months. So I want to avoid that area, okay, because I just got them powder browed, kind of like microblading. Now, rub this in a bit. It is going to lather up kind of into a milkiness when you do this, but it's good. It'll just disappear. And I have seen such a huge improvement in my skin, guys. You know, the whole thing of doing this routine, guys, is to keep consistent. Once you stop doing it, even for a week, you'll notice that it kind of, you've gone back a step, if you know what I mean. Try your hardest, even with those retin-A uglies. The retin-A uglies for me is peeling skin, and I notice it. It's just peels. And people have noticed, and they're like, hey, something's wrong with your face, and I'm like, oh, don't worry, I'm just using some serums and stuff, you know, and that's it. That's totally it, guys. Don't do anything else, and leave your face like this. You know, obviously don't go to bed straight away, or else it's just going to come off on your pillow. Leave it like that. Go to bed in, I don't know, an hour or whenever you want to, as long as it's after an hour, and yeah, wake up in the morning and wash it off. You know, if you're just starting doing this, guys, I recommend trying to do it every single night. For me, I like doing it every second night. If you like, this will dry down a bit. You can also add a moisturizer on top, but I don't. I want the full effect of this tretinoin soaking into my aging skin. Right, guys, so I also wanted to share with you guys what I'm using on my neck at the moment. I was using my expensive Lumiere, but it's so expensive, guys. I'm not going to purchase another bottle. I'll use it when I really, really want to. I've still got a little tiny bit left. Dermelect Cosmeceuticals. I love this company. This is the same company, guys, as a Beauty Sleep Serum that I showed you in another skincare video. I don't have it on me at the moment. It's upstairs. But, oh my gosh, I love their stuff. Now, this is their Self-Esteem Neck Firming Lift. Beautiful, beautiful neck cream. Now I'm testing this out, guys. I have been using it only religiously for a week, but I'm loving the results. I was noticing that my neck was going, oh, I don't know, I would look in the mirror, you know, at work or something like that, and I'd just get a glimpse of some Turkish neck going on. You know, I am 47, guys, and this is the time, I mean, even earlier, to really, really, really look after your neck. I mean, I always do, okay? I just bring all of my moisturizers down from my face, serums and stuff. But yeah, I did look in my mirror a few times when I went to the bathroom at work, and I was like, huh, your neck's getting a little bit, you know, crepey, and I'll go like this, and I'll be like, yeah, you know, the skin on it was kind of standing up, if you like, when I pinch it. And I was like, oh shit, I gotta bloody do something about this. So, you know, very affordable products, man, from Dermalect. You guys have to try them, eh? Amazing. Because their stuff really freaking works. Everything I've bought from them works, guys. I'm not getting paid to say that either. Maybe they should be. But yeah, since I've been using this just for this week, I have noticed that my neck area is looking okay. It's not as bad. It's not perfect, but it's not as dry and crepey. I mean, I've never had a crepey neck, but I did notice it that on those couple of days, so I'm really paying attention to that now. The other product I want to share with you guys is a hand cream from Dermelect as well. Freaking amazing product, guys. This is their Timeless Anti-Aging Daily Hand Treatment. I love the City Beauty one as well, their beautiful hand cream, but I've been right into this one lately. Only because I've run out of my City Beauty one actually, but this is so nice. You know the bottle here, guys, it's not white because I put it in my bag and I take it to work as well. This trick for the crepey hands, guys, that I was telling you about, what you'll do besides, you know, adding your hand cream on during the day is just before bedtime, you will take this cream or any other cream. Doesn't need to be this, okay? But this is a great one. Really good for us, you know, aging ones. And you will put it on your hand just before you're jumping into bed. And I put about that much on. It's quite a bit. And then I like to add on a retinol onto my hand cream. So I like putting on this one, the CeraVe Skin Renewing Retinol Serum. And I'll grab some of this because it's nice and cheap. And I'll just squirt 2.5 pumps on it. Very cheap product, guys, and it works. I love this stuff. Now that retinol here, now this is for wrinkles and everything like that. Freaking amazing. That's what we want to get rid of, right? So I add that into the hand cream, mix it together, and just rub it everywhere. My wrists, like that. My hands get right on top, eh? This is the part here that we get crepey, guys. Definitely, and the fingers as well. Get right in there with that hand cream. And what this hand cream feels like, you put it on, obviously, and then you keep rubbing it in, then it turns into kind of a watery kind of a texture, and then it just dissipates, it disappears. And it's like you're not wearing any hand cream. Your hands look so youthful, great, just really hydrated. And if you need a bit more, like I feel like I need a bit more cream because my hands are very dehydrated tonight, just add some more on, especially on those tops. Get into those fingertips where they can be really wrinkly. So important to look after our hands, eh? I'm not joking. I am right into looking after them now. You know, and I hate wearing hand creams, guys. I've never worn hand creams. Reason being is that they're so freaking sticky, a lot of them. And, you know, you can feel them on your hands. And, you know, I work in an office and I have to type. And I'm like, ugh, you know, not for me. The only downside to wearing hand creams, guys, is obviously, you know, I wash my hands a lot. And then you need to reapply it, eh? So you can go through the product quite quickly when you do that. That's why sometimes I don't do it. As long as I put my hand cream on twice a day, and of course at night time. So we've got that on. It feels amazing. It still feels a bit, you know, you can feel that you've got a hand cream on, and then you will go to bed with that beautiful hand cream on and go to sleep. Soon it'll feel like there's nothing on your hands, okay? It might feel a little bit because we put the retinol on, but you know, if you just put this straight on your hands, it just goes away. I can type, you know, I feel like I don't need to wipe my hands. It doesn't feel greasy, it doesn't feel sticky, it doesn't annoy me because I get very annoyed when I feel things on my hands and I just feel like washing it all the time, but not with this hand cream, guys, and not with that beautiful City Beauty one either. So leave that on and go straight to bed, guys, and you will wake up in the morning and your hands will be beautiful. And you'll have your normal shower and everything like that. Reapply your hand cream if you remember, and then yeah, go about your day, but do that every night. Such a good combo, guys. You know, hand cream and CeraVe Retinol serum. Because this is such a cheap product, I love it. Cheap but good. So yeah, those are my tips and tricks, guys. You know, I mean, look at my hands now. They look great, right? Obviously they do, because I just put cream on them, but they also look really, really hydrated in the mornings. You know, if you sleep with it like that, amazing. So that's us, guys. I thought I would share with you my updated tretinoin. Another thing with this as well, you probably notice some peeling and everything. Don't stop not using it, okay? Keep going. It does end up going away. Like, my face will only peel every now and then, but keep going with it, because it will stop. And what I do for the peeling part is I put on a really hydrating moisturizer, and yeah, it just, you know, you just got to go through it. It doesn't last forever, guys. Anyway, guys, I love giving you guys tips and tricks and everything. My neck feels really hydrated. I've done my tretinoin for that hyperpigmentation. Crepey hands are gone. And yeah, see now, guys, my hands feel like they got nothing on them. It's just great. Yeah, most hand creams are very greasy, they feel sticky, you know, like you just want to wash it off, right? Well, that's how I feel anyway. That's why I never ever wore hand creams. But this, so beautiful. My daughter loves it. I've introduced her to it. She's like, my gosh, Mum, this feels like nothing, but my hands look great. I said, yeah, well, you are only 26, dear. But thank you, guys. I really love you, and I hope that you take on board my lovely tretinoin routine if you're my age, or even if you're 40. It's for everybody, actually. But this hand cream, the hand little routine, and the neck one is so important. And yeah, don't forget to check out, guys, ulivarylife.com. Amazing kimonos and robes. You'll feel so super sensual. You'll feel so super sexy. Ah, I love them. So take care, guys, and stay positive. Stay your beautiful selves. Keep it real. I'll catch you up on my next video. See you guys later. Mwah.